The Meghalaya government has extended yet another invitation to the prescribed Hnlc National Liberation Council to participate in the peace talks despite previous efforts being derailed over demands by the outfit for a general amnesty to its leaders and cadets. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday reiterated the state government's commitment to facilitating the dialogue process, emphasizing the need to address challenges and find a resolution within the constitutional framework. Regarding the Hnlc's demand for general amnesty, he clarified that the decision lies with the central government and not the state.
All these issues are addressed, and whatever concerns are there from their side, we need to sit down and discuss, and within the constitutional framework, within the discussions with MHA and Government of India and state government and with the organization, we should move forward. So that is what our appeal is. We would want to once again, give the message that that we are ready to discuss, and let us come to the table again to talk. And whatever concerns are there, the best way to resolve those concerns is through dialogue.
The Meghalaya government is determined to take up major infrastructure